Hello YouTube. Me and my friend was playing baseball. This dude right there, me and my friend, was playing baseball. I threw up a rock. He hit the rock and it hit a bird and killed it. This dude right there.
Show him the bird. We grabbed it with the bucket and put it on a seat.
Yeah, we're going to show you the bird.
It's crazy.
It's ugly.
I did not
It's nasty. That's worms from it. Ew. Those worms. Those are the worms that was in its stomach. Flip it over. Flip it over.
Oh.
Ah. Ooh. Flip it over. Yeah, that's what the other side looks like. That's the bird we killed. And yeah. The worms. It's nasty.
Ford! I'm just kidding.
So yeah, once I get home, I'm gonna be playing 2K17. I'm an All-Star 5. You already know what it is. You already know what to do with this. But yeah, once I get home, it's grind time. Oh yeah. Yeah. Get him. We out.